Now we'll be seeing in this lecture we'll be seeing different applications and case studies which relate to the business analytics, which use various kinds of analytics in different sectors, right? So, which sector do you think uses analytics the most in India? Whether it is e-commerce, banking, healthcare, government, and there are many other sectors I am talking. And now, if we take the poll, actually all these sectors use analytics just in different ways, and almost the proportion of analytics is at par depending upon the sector intensity. The extent of analytics used may be different. Hmm, right? Uh, and now let us see e-commerce and retail. I'll be being short while explaining all these applications. Mm, recommendation engine you have seen in Amazon example, Flipkart example. They change the price depending upon your need or many customers wanting the same kind of product or service. The pricing change. Then supply chain optimization. All these applications you will be seeing with e-commerce website, particularly Amazon, Flipkart, and whatever the websites are providing you this kind of service. Amazon India personalized recommendation and drive the sales. Then Big Bazaar is there. They floated the loyalty card data used for targeted promotions, right? Which otherwise promotions which is arranged for complete mass at large, but because of data analytics now it is possible to promote float the promotions for to the targeted audience, right? So lesson is data helps the customer stickiness. Customer will stick to the organization, and because of that, there will be a higher sale. Right. Then another sector, banking and finance. Okay, we have already seen some examples of banking and finance application, credit scoring, fraud detection, customer churn analysis. Customer churn analysis means this uses the data analytics, machine learning or AI algorithms to find out which customer will stop using your product or service, and you can do certain kind of intervention to prevent him from stopping using your product. Okay, to retain the customer, this churn analysis is useful. The cases, HDFC Bank use analytics for faster loan approvals and cross selling. Okay, Paytm transaction data is used to launch micro loans. Lesson analytics reduce the risk and improve profitability. Next sector is healthcare. Predictive diagnostic applications are predictive diagnosis, uh, hospital resource management, wearable data. Wearable data means whenever you go to hospital, the data which you otherwise may capture in your watch or mobile or in hospital, if you are required to wear some diagnostic devices like pulse meter or the ECG. You are connected online, and all that data is collected with them. And from that data, some kind of diagnosis, predictive diagnosis, is done. Apollo Hospital predictive analytics to manage patient readmission, right? There is a Practo, which is an app for getting you connected with physicians. Use patient search data to match with the doctors effectively. Lesson analytics saves lives plus optimize operations. Then the next is telecom applications. Churn predictions means if you are using multiple there are multiple telecom services, and depending upon behavior, upon your behavior, the company telecom company comes to know that this customer is going to stop the services being provided by that particular telecom company. So they may provide certain specific offers to the certain group of customers, preventing the customer leaving particular telecom service. They can use the network optimization depending upon the congestion in the traffic. the data analytics data collected by telecom companies will help them provide personalized offers. Reliance Jio, they carry out real-time analytics for data usage pattern and provide the personalized offer. Airtel Analytics for prepaid recharge recommendation, depending upon your data usage, they recommend you certain prepaid recharge pack. Listen, customer retention powered by analytics, right? Government and public policy. Government is also using the data analytics extensively, right? The applications are like smart cities, traffic management, because all this data is now available with the government. They can manage the traffic well, signal timing they can change. Nowadays there are the signals responsive to the traffic. Digital identity by means of Aadhaar, etc., and accordingly the subsidies are provided based on the data which is collected to their end by the government. Cases Aadhaar enabled direct benefit transfer. It is the facility plus analytics is also supporting the benefit transfer, reduce leakage in the subsidies because of this. Swachh Bharat app analytics to track cleanliness campaigns. Sometimes, if the garbage collecting vehicle doesn't reach to a particular locality, they come to know about it, and the cleanliness is more targeted in such areas, and the optimization of various vehicles can also be done um, mm, for Swachh Bharat. Lesson analytics improve governance, and there is a transparency in the governance because of this. Analytics in industry agnostic, every sector finds value. Managers must learn to apply sectoral insight in whichever industry they work. Key message: analytics is equal to competitive advantage everywhere. Activities, what you need to do: divide the class in 5 groups, or you just form your own group now, because that is only possible for you. Mm, each group must get one sector. We have discussed so many here, for example, retail, finance, healthcare, telecom, government, etc., and list 3 ways analytics could create business value in their sector. Another activity you will be doing: um, which sector do you want to work after MBA, and how do you think analytics will shape your role? Okay, this will help you to look into yourself and develop accordingly, right? So we will be stopping here for lecture number 7, and the lecture number 8 is the last one, right? Thank you.